Hi, welcome to the college algebra class. So for today's lecture, so I want to introduce the difference between the arithmetic and the algebra. So first of all, before you come to this class, you probably studied how to, for example, how to add two numbers like this and how to subtract, how to multiply, then how to divide two numbers. So now, what we are going to do for this class is to, on top of this arithmetic skill, you learn algebra. So what is the difference? So to explain, so let me just show you one example. So first of all, just think about any number, your favorite number. But don't tell this to me, okay? So you can just write down your note, or you can just memorize, okay? Now, multiply the number you picked by 2. Did you do that? Okay. Next, add 6 to the result. Then, divide the number by 2. So these are all just skills over there, right? So you know how to multiply a number, add, divide. Okay, finally, subtract the original number you picked from the result. So it's here, okay? Okay. Did you do that? Okay, now let me tell you. It must be 3. Correct? Okay. Any question? Okay, so now in my lecture, I want to stress, you ask me why this works, rather than just how to do it. Okay? So before you come to this class, you probably studied how to compute, how to manipulate numbers, right? But you really probably studied why. Okay? So in the algebra class, so I want to emphasize this. Okay, so so what did you pick? 2. Okay, so let's try. Okay. So he picked 2. So 2 times 2, 4, and then 4 plus 6, 10. 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Then now we subtract, the original number is 2. So subtract 2 from 5. So okay, so we get 3. Okay. Okay, let me ask another person. So what did you pick? 4. Okay, so let's try. Okay. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Then 14 divided by 2, which is 7. Then we subtract, the original number is 4 from 7. So again, we get 3. So probably at this point, so you might suspect maybe no matter what number we start, so we always get 3. And that's true. Okay? So here is your first homework. So you start from So 1 through a million, okay? And then repeat this repeat this process just a million times and check the answer is always 3. Okay? Do you want to do that homework? Well, no, you don't want to do it. Okay? So if you do this, so you probably have to spend the rest of this semester. Okay? So that's too much, right? So what's the alternative here? Well, so at this point, of course, no, I don't know your number here. Okay? It depends on you. Okay? So what did I do? What I did is, for this number is unknown for me, so I just start from x. Okay? And then, instead of doing the arithmetic, so now I use the manipulation of the algebra. Okay? So for example, x, then I multiply x by 2, and then now this is written as 2 times x, but usually it's written as just 2x. Okay? Then next, I add 6 to this, so I have now 2x plus 6. Okay? And then this one, later we studied more systematic rule for how to compute the expression. And then it turns out that 2x plus 6 divided by 2 is x plus 3. Okay. Then finally, I subtract the original number from this expression, x plus 3. So this means x plus 3 minus x. So then I get 3. Okay? So let me write down this process by using what is called expression. So each of them is called actually expression, just involving x, or it's called variable. Here. Okay. Okay. So variable just represent any number. Okay. So what I did is, so I start from x, then I made 2x plus 6. Now I divide it by 2. Okay, and then I subtract the original number x. Then I got equals to 3. Okay? So the good thing is this works for all x. Okay? So no matter what x you start, so you always get 3. So that's why you don't have to actually repeat this for the million times. No? Just only this simple computation just replaces million times of the arithmetic. Okay? So that's one of the reasons you study algebra. Okay.